Hi, my name is Valerie, and this is my name sign. Throughout the term, I benefited from 5 takeaways from the DeafBlind Culture, Communication, and Guiding class. The first of the 5 is that I learned 4 cardinal rules, which are pay attention, take your time, be consistent, and when in doubt, communicate. My second takeaway is adjusting to the modality. For example, instead of signing man like this, it may be better to sign man this way. My third takeaway is modifying tactile language. If I'm signing a list, instead of using my own fingers, it's better to use a deafblind person's non-dominant hand to touch and point out what I'm fingerspelling. My fourth takeaway is being involved in the DeafBlind WSDBC meeting. I was amazed by their setup, and I was able to see the various placements of the deafblind individuals and their SSP or interpreter. Some examples would include the two sitting side by side facing the stage, sitting across from each other, sitting with their knees in between each other, or sitting side by side facing opposite directions. They also had a stage with a visual interpreter standing on it and a voice interpreter sitting across from it. The visual interpreter was able to copy sign everything that was happening within the audience, while the voice interpreter, who was sitting down looking up at the stage, was able to voice interpret for everything that was going on the stage. And that was pretty cool. This complex system worked out well for the setting. My fifth takeaway is opportunity for touch. So when I went to Frozone for extra credit, between my partner and I was the first to be the SSP. If you can remember, each Froyo machine had 3 handles. The first handle was one flavor, and then the third was a different flavor, but the one in the middle was a mix between the two. And I struggled to explain this to the deafblind person. But luckily, our professor CM let me know that I should search for an opportunity for touch. And then I had an aha moment. So I was able to place the deafblind person's hand on the handle, like this, and then fingerspell what flavor it was that we were placing our hands on. So those are my 5 takeaways that I learned from class. Thank you.